Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. TY become semester 2nd. This lecture on subject computer systems and applications. Our today's topic is sales commission and total earning policy in Excel. So let we start the sales commission and total earning policy topic. This sales commission and total earning I can explain in by using an example. Just I take the example on university question paper. Let us take the topic is our this sales commission and total earning policy. Yes, this is. And I take the example in Mumbai University question paper. A question. This is a question from Mumbai University question paper, April 2019. This is our question. Here is to calculate commission in column C by using following slabs, sales slabs that are given is first 50,000, 8%, next 75,000, 10%, excess 12%. And rest of the things question second and third is there, right? Now directly we start Excel and we start solving the question. Then we go to the live Excel. So I start Excel and type the worksheet given in the question as it is. You already earlier see the question, same worksheet I have type here, and rest of the question I bring it by paste option here. Yes, this is the rest of the question is this is, yeah. Now see, the question tell is what write steps to calculate commission in column C. Yeah, calculate commission in column C. Here is a column C, yeah, and in which C2 we have to type here the formula to calculate this. Three slabs are given for commissions. That is first is first rupees 50,000, 8% commission. Second is next rupees 75,000, 10% commission. Excess, next third is excess, that is excess 12%. This which there are three conditions, therefore we use here if formula. If in Excel formula if we use, therefore is equal if round bracket. See, the total sales is what in B, column B, therefore B2, the B2 is less than or equal to how much? 50,000. First rupees 50,000, this is 50,000 we write 50,000, okay, 50,000. Then means comma here. Then how much the commission is? 8%. 8% commission. What is that? B2. Yeah, therefore B2 star 8 divided by 100. This I put the formula, right? Then comma. Okay. This is our first condition is over. Now we move for second condition. That is what? Next rupees 75,000. Now here is you have to just remind whatever exactly tells the second line. This means what? Next rupees 75,000 means after 50,000, first rupees 50,000, that is total sales first rupees 50,000, after 50,000 next 75,000 rupees 75,000, that is given the 10% commission. Therefore total amount of sales should be 1,25,000. therefore otherwise if अगर ये 50,000 से भी ज़्यादा है, if B2 is less than or equal to 1,25,000. Okay, 1,25,000. then ये अभी 1,25,000 आते हैं, उसमें फर्स्ट तो 50,000 है, तो 50,000 का 8% कितना होता है? 4,000. इज इट? 4,000. ओके, प्लस राउंड ब्रैकेट ओपन राउंड ब्रैकेट B2 minus 50,000 bracket close. Okay, this means what? The bracket should contains what? 75,000. You total take as what? 1,25,000, in which 4,000 for 50,000 commission already written. Therefore I take minus 50,000 from B2, right? So bracket contains what? 75,000, and 75,000 का आपने हमें क्लास ऐप में क्या दिया है? 10% commission. Therefore star 10 divided by 100, right? So this second condition is over. Now excess, third condition is given what? excess. excess का मतलब क्या है कि 1,25,000 से भी ज़्यादा टोटल सेल्स किया है, किसी सेल्समैन ने 1,25,000 से भी ज़्यादा सेल्स किया है, तो उसको उस ज़्यादा सेल्स का मीन्स 1,25,000 से भी ज़्यादा जो पैसे का सेल है उसके लिए 12% देने का है कमीशन, राइट? तो this for third condition there is no need to write if, there is only comma then, otherwise. ये if नहीं होता है तो otherwise जो है कि हम लोग एक्सेस के लिए जा रहे हैं अभी. अदरवाइज तो ये हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ये जो इसमें सेल्स जो है, टोटल सेल्स जो है 1,25,000 से भी ज़्यादा है, 2 लाख और 3 लाख और 5 लाख ऐसा जो सेल का हो गया है टोटल सेल्स, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को पहला तो 50,000 आएगा, तो 50,000 का 8% कितना है? तो 4,000. तो 4,000 हम लिखेंगे, इज इट? प्लस अभी उसमें फर्स्ट 50,000 होने के बाद 75,000 भी आते हैं उसके आगे के, दैट इज 1,25,000 तक हो गया फिर. तो 75,000 का कितना? 10%. वो 10% मीन्स वो 7,500. ओके, प्लस अभी राउंड ब्रैकेट ओपन B2 minus 1,25,000 bracket close star 12 divided by 100. Then close the bracket. How many if? 2 if, then 2 brackets should be closed. 2 if we open the 2 brackets that are closed here. The formula is over. Just see, this is your formula to calculate commission on the given 3 slabs. First slab is 50,000, second slab is 75,000, XX. 8%, 10% and 12% respectively. The rate of commission we are given, and for that I have put it the formula like this, right? Now just I press the enter, then it should be give the value. Calculate the formula, the whatever in cell B2 and give the exact value. This is therefore 85,000 total sale we get as a commission 7,500. Is it? Now this formula we have to copy to all cells. Therefore, once again select this cell. This is the fill handle. This fill handle, see my mouse is here, is that is medical plus, and here is got mathematical plus, right? Click over there and drag till up to C7. Formula is copied and all the cells give the value of commissions, right? This is over the commission. Now to calculate bonus. Now see the bonus calculation, the condition is given at calculate bonus, that is second question, calculate bonus as 4% of the total sales whenever the sales is above rupees 2 lakh, otherwise no bonus. Now see here is given as only those salesmen should give the bonus whose sales is above than 2 lakh, राइट? तो मीन्स जो 2 लाख से ऊपर के जो सेल्स हैं उसके लिए ही वो वैल्यू आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये शरण एंड अनदर इज व्हाट, प्रथम, राइट? लेट्स सी, बट we have to use this formula in D2 to calculate in column D. Therefore, I select the cell D2 and type formula is equal. Here is also the condition, therefore I use if formula. If is used, if round bracket what, B2, right? Now B2 is greater than, strictly here greater than 2 lakh, 2,0,0,0,0,0. Okay, this is 2 lakh greater than 2 lakh, comma other than BT को कितने बोला है, 4%. therefore B2 स्टार 4. हाँ, ये जो है 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 जो है हमें कितना, किसका देने का है, whenever the sales above rupees, तो सबको देने का है बोनस वो 4%, बराबर? तो 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, राइट, कॉमा जो 4 लाख से ज्यादा नहीं तो उनको देने का ही नहीं, तो दैट इज 0, अदरवाइज 0, ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड एंटर. इज इट? so this you get the exact value 0 here because 85,000 only sell. Now I once again select cell D2, activate this fill handle and copy the formula, drag till up to D7. See this, I get exact value, right, to all, right? Now third question, calculate total earning when total earning is equal to commission plus bonus. Now this is very easy, simple formula, sum formula you use, or another is what, to directly addition of sales C2 and D2, right? Or you have to write is equal sum, 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 round bracket open, that is C2 colon D2, okay, bracket close and enter. And once again select cell E2 and activate the fill handle and drag till up to E7. And this is the solution of your Excel question. This is the practical solution. Okay, so do you understand this? So practically we have solved this question, and here is here the answer. This answer you have to write in procedure in your exam paper, theory paper you write, in which the same question is asked, is already asked in April 2019, and you have to write the procedure how you have to solve that question in Excel, right? Okay, today enough. Next lecture, part second, I have give you the total idea how to write this answer of this question in your question paper exactly. Okay.